In primetime news this evening, state ministers sworn in with promotion promise for doing their jobs well. Reopening, Parliament resumes tomorrow, but not at Garden House due to COVID-19 restrictions. And step aside now, PNP-YO calls for PNP President Dr. Peter Phillips to leave in the next 30 days. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what do you believe are some of the reasons for the PNP's loss in the recent general election?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.